The 2023 Dodge Challenger is an amazing car that combines performance and style. The exterior of the Dodge Challenger features a sleek, modern design with a muscular profile. You can also customize your Dodge Challenger with various visual upgrades such as body kits, spoilers, and additional lighting elements. Inside the Dodge Challenger, you'll find luxurious interior appointments that provide total comfort and convenience. Performance-wise, the Dodge Challenger delivers impressive horsepower and torque, which allows you to accelerate quickly and handle like a dream. There's no better way to appreciate this high-performance vehicle than by seeing it in person. It's sure to turn heads and make an impression wherever you go. For a truly thrilling ride, look no further than the 2023 Dodge Challenger. Comfort, style, and performance all come together in one amazing package. Find your Dodge dealer near you today and get ready to experience what this incredible vehicle can do.